Hi, hello everyone, welcome in our YouTube channel that is All in One Corner. So friends, in today's video we will discuss about the L&T Graduate Engineer Recruitment 2022, the invitation to take assessment, and after that the assessment link also got. So we will discuss about it. Before that, if you are new to the channel and have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So 2 days ago, means on the 20th of July, I got this mail like you are invited to take your assessment. You can see that and I booked slot on the 23rd of July. So here is mentioned that your L&T graduate engineer 22 recruitment schedule on the 23rd of July 2022. So you will be receiving a separate email with the assessment link and credentials on the 22nd of July. So as I mentioned here, you can see that the mail is mentioned with the assessment link and credentials will got on the 22nd of July. And today, that is on 22nd July, I got another mail. You can see that. Just wait a minute. So this is the mail that trainee recruitment, graduate engineer trainee recruitment online assessment credentials got on 22. So okay, you can see that with reference to the email dated on 15th of July regarding the L&T graduate engineer trainee recruitment 2022, you have been invited to take the L&T GET 22 Computer Science and Information Technology Engineering Assessment for L&T. So this is according to the batch, right? So as my batch is Computer Science, so I got like that. That is Computer Science and Information Technology Engineering Assessment for L&T. If you belong to mechanical or a civil, that is mentioned there, that is L&T GET 2022 Civil or Mechanical Engineering Assessment. Okay. So you have been invited to take the L&T GET 2022 as I read there. So assessment details are there, that is start date is the 23rd of July, start time is 1 p.m, end time is the 23rd of July, of course on the same day, end time is 3 p.m. That means assessment duration is of 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. So the login button will be valid till 23rd July 2 p.m, post which the assessment to assessment will be blocked. So you can log in between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. on the 23rd of July and post that means after 2 p.m. the assess to the assessment will be blocked. So you have 1 hour time to take your login, and after that login you have 2 hours, that is 120 minutes to complete your assessment. Okay. So before you proceed to take the assessment, kindly check the system compatibility to make sure the system is compatible to take the assessment. So before you taking your online assessment, please check your system that is compatible or not. And before you also give your mock test assessment, so you should check your compatibility. Okay, so please again check your compatibility, and for your compatibility checking, click here to check your system compatibility. So if your system fails compatibility assessment, then kindly arrange another system and then check the compatibility of the system as well before starting the assessment. Okay, so here is the GET assessment structure is mentioned there. So this is the section name, number of questions and duration. So basically there are 4 sections. First one is the analytical ability, second one is the quantitative ability, third one is the verbal ability, and fourth one is the engineering discipline. So in analytical ability there are 30 questions each, in quantitative, in verbal quantity, and in analytical there are 30 questions in each part. And the fourth one section is the engineering discipline, and there are 40 questions for engineering discipline, and the duration for this assessment is 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. So you can see that means you have a total number of questions are 130 and your duration has a 120 minutes. So less than 1 minute you have to solve one question. Okay, there is a note, this is the internet based assessment, so please ensure that you have a stable internet connection with no restrictions enabled. The assessment can only be taken using Google Chrome. Okay, so this note please you should read that. Okay, so if Google Chrome is not the default browser on your system, copy the assessment URL and paste it directly into the Google Chrome address bar. So carefully enter your username and password as provided in the email. Please avoid copying and pasting the information. So if you are unable to begin the assessment after logging in, please clear your cache and try again. So friends, your credential, that means your password and username, is mentioned in the given mail. Okay, so carefully read that and carefully type it. Okay, and if your exam schedule on a today or tomorrow, best of luck, give your best. Thank you.